Please stop doubting yourself. Hi. I don't chase, I attract. Oh my god, wait lang. Mamamatay ako today. Wait.
Heart attack.
Lead us not into temptation, but deliver us.
I don't chase, I attract.
Warm up lang to, Teacher Giselle,
Ang sakit na. Iiyak na ako. Ito na naman, Lord.
Lower po.
Ang baba na.
masakit.
You are Beyonce. And
problema ko, but hindi siya talaga like for like sabihin natin everyday use, especially kapag lumalabas. My God. To there. Nag-work ako sa BPO for about 3 years. So, my customer service power is still there. Okay? So, done!
Okay.
So, next, we can eat. I guess I'm quite hungry. Hey, divas!
Wig, okay.
Wig, did you just say wig?
Yes.
I know, wig. I feel that already.
Welcome back to my kitchen! And this series, we will gonna cook our breakfast. Be cooking with Nel Nel. Yes! So, I have some longganisa here while I am cooking this. Chika lang tayo ng konti. Itong previous na video na in-upload ko, ito, papakita ko sa screen. Nagkaroon siya ng quite big numbers of views. And bigla akong nagkaroon ng imposter syndrome. Alam ko bago lang ako dito. And then, parang, deserve ko ba yung ganitong views? Kahit nagsistart lang ako, kahit konting views pa lang sila. Kasi parang nung nakaraan kasi parang ilang views pa lang. Parang wala mong 100 views. Yung una kong video, yun pa lang yung malaki yung malaki yung view count, which is nasa 200 ata siya. Pero wala lang, parang biglang nag-boom yung isa kong video. Hindi naman nag-boom-boom. Parang I mean, it's like, na-meet niya yung expectation ko dun sa view count. Akala ko kasi parang for the next videos or more than 10 videos, ganun pa rin yung view count ko for like, siguro mga 10 or like wala mang 100, mga ganun ba? So parang ayun, bigla ako naisip na parang deserve ko ba to? Parang deserve ko ba ganitong attraction? Deserve ko ba yung lumalaki yung followers ko? Eh wala naman ako masyadong ginagawa. Something like that, you know? And then bigla ko ding naisip na yes! Deserve ko! deserve ko. Hard work tong ginagawa kong to. Kasi hindi to normal for me. Kasi normally yung ginagawa ko after mag-work, magsa-cellphone lang ako, manonood lang ako ng movies. That's it. This is hard work. Okay? So yung pag-upload natin sa social media, kasi hindi natin ma-appreciate yun. Kasi akala natin normal yun. Akala natin na minsan hindi natin deserve yung mga ganitong bagay, which is mali. Kasi once na you go out to your comfort zone, that's already an effort. Actually, yung comfort zone mo is effort already. Okay? So please don't disregard all of your efforts or all of the things that you're doing. You deserve it. This is also a message for myself and for you again. Please stop doubting yourself. Stop doubting. Stop doubting. Please, for the love of God, don't doubt. Don't doubt your potentials. Don't doubt the things that you are doing right now. Don't doubt yourself na, oh, what if hindi mag-work? And so what? So what? Own it. Own it. If magkamali ka, if hindi mag-work, so what? You tried your best. You've done your part. Okay? At some point, possible hindi mo pa time. Diba? So, stop it! Stop it! Okay? Alright. Ang focus ko ngayon is to be consistent. So as you can see, nag-upload ako ng weekly vlogs. Every day, nag-upload din ako ng YouTube Shorts, TikTok. Actually, yung TikTok ko parang twice or thrice a day akong nag-upload. Every single day, ha? So, as you know, like, my God, parang nakaka-exhaust siya and overstimulating siya in a way. But for now, nakikita ko yung improvement sa mga contents ko. Nakikita ko na dumadami yung mga audience ko, dumadami yung mga follower counts ko, something like that. Which is, I'm so grateful. Actually, this year, my goal is to be consistent and to be more disciplined in life. Na, okay, I just need to like accept na yung mga ginagawa ko ngayon, alam kong mahirap, pero sa umpisa lang yan. I just need to be more disciplined and be consistent the things that I am doing, that nagbe-base sa mga goals ko sa life and what truly matters to me. Trying to make sure na I breathe, I still do my morning routines. Kagaya ng kanina, nag-manifest ako. Kagaya nung kanina, like nag-workout ako, stretching, affirmation, and those are just really my daily routine na for myself actually. So as much as possible, tinatry ko silang gawin araw-araw. And as much as possible ha, kasi meron talaga mga araw na I'm so busy. So, especially yung working out, hindi ko kaya. Ngayon, sobrang busy ko. Minsan, hindi ko na alam paano ko pa ipasok yung workout. But, as much as possible, ginagawa ko sila.
I think you should experience it. You always say I want to experience things, but I don't think you actually want to experience things because you would experience it if you wanted to experience things.
Well, kakainin ko rin naman ito. May eggs. Yum. Yes, I love pepper. After this, I will just go ahead and continue working. Then, maya-maya, lalabas ako kasi kailangan kong kunin yung SIM card ko dun sa technician na kung saan ko pinagawa yung phone ko. Kasi kailan ba yun? Parang last week pinagawa ko yung cellphone. Pinagawa ko yung LCD na itong isang phone na gamit ko. And then, at some point, nahulog ata or hindi napansin nung technician na nahulog yung SIM. And hindi ko rin napansin. So, sabi ko parang, bakit naglo-load ako? Bakit hindi ako nakaka-receive na notification? And chinek ko, isa lang yung SIM na nandito kasi dual SIM to eh. parang, nasaan yung isa kong SIM? Eh, important yung isang SIM na yun.
Night outlook. If I've learned anything over the last
okay na, baka makapiright ako. 12, 16. Oh my God! Grabe!
Do I look like I give a fuck? Because I don't. I don't care. I don't care. I'm great.
Need to take very short break because baka mag-breakdown ako dito. Stupid bitch! Then, ang mangyayari ngayon is after the short break, mag-work ulit ako. Dapat 5 PM lumabas na ako. Kailangan kong makuha yung SIM ko na nahulog ko dun sa technician kung saan ako nagpagawa. And then, I will proceed on going to the coffee shop and do my video editing there. Help me.
I work like a dog, day and night, living off of coffee from a pot none of you want to touch!
Kaya ko to. It's all in my head. Tama ba yun? Hayaan mo na.
If I ever see any of you bitches outside with this, it's on site because I hate this. Bro, this is...
Yes! Init-init lang. Ganun.
Are you on drugs? Are you on drugs?
Yes. Hello. This is the outfit for today. Yes, it's giving pambahay. Woo! Straight ang atake natin for today's video. Wala na kayong magagawa. Ito na yon. And mainit. Grabe, tapos nag-block pa talaga. Sige, mag-block ka pa. Traffic pa. Gagi, lumagpas ako. Nahiya na ako magpabalik kay kuya. Ito, naglalakad na lang ako. My God. Embarrassing. So, I'm here. Wala pa yung technician. So, waiting. This is a technician. Parang ito ata na siya. Ito na siya. Yung SIM lang, kuya. Opo.
Buti na lang na ano mo kasi.
Oo. Bigla ko lang po napansin na isa lang po yung SIM card. Okay, salamat po. It's okay po. So, ito ang aking struggle ngayon. Pupunta ba ako sa dati kong pinupuntahan na coffee shop na alam kong mabilis ang internet? Or, pupunta ako dun sa isang coffee shop para maiba lang. Pero hindi ko sure kung mabilis ba yung internet doon. Kasi kailangan kong mag-edit ng video. Yung second... Oh my God, wait lang. Mamamatay ako today. Wait. Yung second na coffee shop na sinasabi ko is malapit lang siya dito. And... And yun, yung first na sinasabi ko mabilis ang internet, medyo malayo na siya dito ng konti. So, nagde-debate ako kung dun na lang ba sa bagong coffee shop. okay, dun na lang sa bagong coffee shop para maiba naman siguro, no? Okay, it's a prank. Pupunta tayo dun sa favorite kong coffee shop na lang para sure na mabilis ng internet and konti lang yung tao. And na-estimate ko parang same lang sila ng ng layo from here. So, pupush na natin yun. Okay. I got some. Wala naman talaga akong planong bumili. Pero favorite ko kasi itong store na nagbebenta. Masarap kasi yung mga okay na binibenta nila. So, big back. Fat bitch.
And
Joke lang. Hi. Isang double chocolate. Yung ice, please. Yes.
Coffee po or non-coffee?
Non-coffee. Yes, baka hindi na ako makatulog. Okay. Okay, ang goal natin dito sa coffee shop ngayon is makumpleto yung next vlog ko. Which is, I think, out na ngayon. And kailangan ko na siyang matapos talaga. Kasi meron akong ibang gagawin for the past or for the next few days. So I will need to complete this one. I ordered double choco and it's a non-coffee. Normally ang in-order ko palagi is ice americano pero ayoko na mag-coffee. Baka hindi na ako makatulog mamaya.
Clap if you care. All right, let's move on. Perfect.
Totoo lang, minsan mas productive ako kapag nasa coffee shop ako. Hindi ko sure bakit mas productive ako sa coffee shop, but kailangan kong gumastos, diba? But when you are used to working at home, minsan gusto mo nang tumingin ng new environment, something like that. So right now, if
Can you say magnetic? Just keep going. Charismatic.
gagastos ako ng 150 or 200 pesos just to complete all of my tasks, I will do it. Sa ngayon, I will do it. I will do it. It's the video for the vlog and natapos ko na halos yung first draft.
It may push some buttons.
Nakakaloka. So I have my ano kasi tawag dito? Basta! So this will be my dinner. Hindi ko natapos yung video na ine-edit ko, but siguro around like 85 to 90% natapos ko. It was a lot. Parang 3 hours ako dun and nag-edit lang ako ng video. So it takes a lot of time talaga to like complete a one YouTube video. So yeah, siguro matatapos ko na yung video by tomorrow. And pwede ko na rin siyang i-schedule for the upload. And then I will go ahead and start another YouTube video afterwards.
I'm so tired. I'm so excited.
So Hindi ko sure kung kailan ko to ma-upload itong video na ginagawa ko ngayon. But, it will be very, very soon. Because, ang goal ko lang ngayon is just weekly vlog. Once a week vlog will do. Kasi halos wala na akong time ngayon.
It was all worth it, and I'm sorry, I'm so embarrassed.
Okay? Okay ba? Tama ba? So good. Favorite. Task for tomorrow. Yeah, I'm good. Alright, I'm done. Hold up. Wow, what a day, huh? Thank you sa pagsama sa akin today with my regular daily routine. Actually, hindi naman to regular na, hindi naman palaging super busy. May mga araw din na chill. Hindi naman araw-araw din na nagko-coffee shop ako. But at some point, nagkataon talaga na tinry kong mag-vlog na medyo busy ako that day. Or medyo busy ako this day para, you know, medyo mahaba-haba yung content na yung magagawa ko. But, yeah, again, thank you sa pagsama for today. If you like this kind of content, please like and subscribe to my channel. And please comment down below what are your thoughts about this video. And if you have any type of request that you want me to do next. Alright? Okay. Matutulog na ako. Oras na. Maaga pa yung gising ko tomorrow, which is normally 4 AM. So, alright, see you in the next one. Bye-bye.
To tell the people out there that thank you for supporting me. And if you don't, my dick. And I know you think because I'm a woman I don't have a dick, but I have a pink dildo in my dresser.